So Google AI Studio has a new update, yet another vibe coding tool, and I just used it for a few things. So
Cmd+AI.
if you don't know, we covered this over in another video. Google Stitch is out, and I just sent one of these to Google AI Studio, but here is my website Vibe Coded. It has some interactions, but nothing about this is particularly new from what I understand, but it is yet another tool. And I don't have a Google subscription, but I am using Google Workspaces, so I don't know how many tokens I got, but it built this. But there are a few things to show. So I did quickly build an agency hub as well, really fast. I got something that, yeah, it's pretty good for adding my clients here. Like I can nice. Join as a client or as an admin. Does it look familiar? This is based on I got a, well, not just the UI. We'll get to that. We'll get to that. The whole thing is from Replit. So I built something on Replit. I was working on it with Claude Code, and I told Claude Code, write me a PRD based on my cocktail order app for an agency tool, because it's the same thing, cocktails or tasks. They're very similar. Anyway, it looks pretty good. I mean, I feel like we have so many tools, and this is the exciting part for me. Anyway, so we got that, but here let's look at this. I think this is where it's new. We can select the model, but we can also select the framework. Was this there before?
It mentions package. It mentions shadcn. That's why I said. That's why I thought that's what you were referring to.
Yeah, but I don't know where I could add it. Yeah, I don't see where I could add it. So the only settings I see is the framework. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yet another tool that you can use, and it seems like pretty capable.
Persistent build thing. So I think Studio was meant to be, it just works in your in your current session, and that you export it and go and host it somewhere else. I don't think it was like a hosting platform, whereas now it actually will build and deploy your app. It's kind of behind a lot of the other Vibe Code apps out there, but progress is progress, and you can of course export stuff from Stitch into here, so it's like quite a nice duality going on there. So yeah, this is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.